What's up, y'all? I got me 2 lobster tails and I'm going to show y'all how to cook them the easy way. I haven't taken them out of the package yet, but as you can see, I took a knife and I just split it down the middle. That's it. I didn't even go all the way through. You just want to cut that shell, you know what I'm saying? Bust that open. Now I'm going to start pulling the meat out. Okay, y'all, so this is going to be super easy. I'm just pulling some of this shell off. I'd say maybe about half of it. This is not fancy, y'all. I just want to be able to get to my lobster. So that's how it looks. I just want to be able to pull it on out once it's done. So you want to loosen the meat from the bottom too. But I don't want to take it all the way out of the shell. Alright, and the other one. There are several ways that you can do this, y'all, but this is, like I said, the easy way. Again, I pulled most of the shell off. And you just want to make sure that you can get to it. Pull the shell from the bottom so that you can get that meat out once it's cooked. And that's it. Now I'm going to get these cleaned up. Always rinse your lobster tails and any seafood with cold water. After you're done rinsing it off, just put it on some foil. I'm gonna do the other one too. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on each one. You don't need much, probably about, I don't know, half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon. Okay. Then I'm gonna season with Creole, lemon pepper, Old Bay, and some chili powder. And since I'm not doing any other type of chili peppers, this is gonna be like super flavorful. Be sure not to over season. You just want to lightly sprinkle it on each piece. Going in with the Creole. Going in with the lemon pepper. Going in with the Old Bay a little bit. Last but not least, the chili powder. Garlic is a must in this recipe, y'all, so we're going to put some garlic right on top. And I don't know why my garlic is frozen. Oh, yeah, my kids turned up the refrigerator. But anyway, yeah. So you want to put some garlic on each one of them. Spread that out a little bit. Like I said, y'all, my kids went and turned up the refrigerator all the way up, y'all. So, yeah. All right, now you want to put some butter and not the paper. You want to put some butter on top of each one. And then you also want to put a lime, not a lime, but a lemon. My bad. Piece of lemon. Now you want to set this whole thing in either a skillet or on top of a sheet tray. In my case, I'm going to sit mine on top of a little small sheet tray. These are ready to go into the oven. And you can do this ahead. That's exactly what I'm doing. So I'll be back when I'm ready to bake them. Stick that whole thing in the oven for 10 minutes on 500, and this is what you get. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.